Hi people, hi people. Today I wanted to show you important video tutorial Simon Warunget would like to show to you because I have got issue how to install some add-ons because when you first install Blender 4.2 there are some add-ons which you can't find, but I know how to fix that. These surfaces you can install, but I found a solution how you can enable those add-ons. Wait a minute. Oh no. Okay, I just have to. Where my add-ons are? Start up. Take on. Extensions system. Now I have to check if Blender Foundation did not delete my add-ons. Oh, I can check. Oh, you can double check where they are located. Developer extras, click on tooltips. But the thing is, I have to check something. That's how they tell me. Because I have an old version of Blender. Okay, let me go back. Oh, we have got add-ons folder. I think I didn't pay attention how I installed this because I have separate folder add-ons. I think you have to copy this because in Blender 2.4.2 I didn't see this folder. Let me check. 4.1 scripts. I think you have to copy. Yes, I was right because we have missing files. You have to copy from Blender 4.1. I have to upload the updated video to you people. I think I was right when I first installed Blender. Save startup file. Your add-ons from previous version will still work, but I have to double check something. Window disappeared. I don't have time to work today. I don't have time to publish video tutorial. I have to go to the gym. But I would like to show to you. Where is this? Add-ons. Oh no. I have to find separate what is this? Mesh V surfaces. And after you can still enable the newest add-ons. And the strange thing about Blender 4.2 is by default you don't have that folder. When you go to Blender 4.2 and you go to this folder, you don't have this folder add-ons. You have to copy from previous version. Unfortunately, I don't know why Blender Foundation didn't copy this. Lots of add-ons which are important. The same with mesh tissue. But here, the thing is, if you have a folder, you probably have to install different way. I just try to find something. Mesh viewport object. I can't remember. Space view space 3D spacebar menu. You can still install it when you pack to zip file. Because this is dynamic context menu. Unfortunately, for some reasons, I cannot understand why Blender Foundation removed that important catalog. I copied the zip file because dynamic context menu was quite important. But I have to import a key-map to be able to show to you. Oh, I'm a little bit angry and upset because I thought that Blender Foundation released the version of Blender which already has built-in add-ons. Sorry people, I should have thought in the past before. We will have to install add-ons, dynamic context menu, install from local hard drive, Ctrl V. Oh no, I cannot see zip file. Oh, I can see. Dynamic context menu, very important feature which allows me to work much better. You can still install from previous version of Blender. Sorry people, I will have to send updated video tutorial to you and I hope you like this video tutorial which has been updated.